What is the value of the expression 6 divided by 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 then divided by 1 over 2? Which option do you believe is the correct answer to this question? This expression has puzzled many people and led them to pick the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In the first step, many people go straight to the expression 3 over 4 times 4 because they think multiplication has priority over division. And they tend to cancel out the 4's. So, this expression simplifies to 6 divided by 3 then divided by 1 over 2. And the next step, they go for the division between 6 and 3 and write this expression as 2 divided by 1 over 2, which gives them the answer 4. Then, without any hesitation, they claim that option B is the correct choice. But this answer is absolutely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to apply the PEMDAS rule. It means that we must stick to the correct order of operations and go through it from top to bottom step by step. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, we have 2 division signs and 1 multiplication sign. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division are on the same level of precedence. In this case, we simply start from the leftmost part of the expression and continue step by step toward the right. So, we begin with the expression 6 divided by 3 over 4, which I have marked in yellow. Okay, whenever we come across a division sign between 2 terms, it's best to use the KCF rule. And this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is. C stands for change the division sign to multiplication. And F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the highlighted part and replace it with 6 multiplied by 4 over 3. Now, the 6 and the 3 in the denominator can be simplified and we can write this expression as 8 times 4 divided by 1 over 2. And the next step, we do the multiplication between 8 and 4, which simplifies it to 32 divided by 1 over 2. And for the part which I have highlighted in blue, according to the KCF rule, we write it as 32 times 2, which results in the final answer 64. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.